So you might be thinking, what's going on here? This is a ceramics class, a clay class. What's up with all this paper? Well, the next project we're doing is hard slab. And before we even get started with the clay, you really want to get started with some paper or cardboard to make a template for your piece. And this is going to be a simple wall hanging, and it's going to be this is going to be the back that's going to go against the wall. This is going to be like a front kind of a pocket. And then I'm going to make two sides and a bottom. And to make life easier on myself, I've taken a normal 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper and folded it so that I can use these same dimensions easily without having to think too much. Now, be my guest if you want to get more complicated. My initial thought was to make this like a triangular pocket coming out, and then I would have to squeeze in a couple triangular slabs of clay for walls. But then I thought about it and was thinking, wow, that's going to be a lot of work. So I'm trying to make this as simple as possible. If I have a square here, I can much more easily make the side and bottom components because they're all going to be the same size. So make life easier on yourself. This is a tough project. If you're familiar with construction, with building construction, this may be easier for you, it may not, but it is more similar than typical clay building methods. It's similar to construction methods. So clay has room for everyone. Try and have some fun. So I've created a paper template of what is going to be a hard slab project. You might ask, well, why hard slab as opposed to soft slab? Anytime you're using kind of rigid geometry, hard edges, and you want it to be very precise, hard slab is kind of the way to go. This paper will give us a kind of a good idea of what we're getting into. Cardboard might work a little bit better. That's going to resemble more the clay, and paper's flimsy. It's more like a soft slab, but it'll give us a good idea of what we are getting into.